Okay, so we're in Hatyai. We're near a place called Central right there. So we're just gonna take a look around here. This is like a pretty... Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe. And hit the like button. This is like a pretty central space right here. And they sell Japanese food, mango, pickle juice, fresh and pickles fruit. Okay. Pickles fruit. McDonald's. I think these are all a mall, so we're just gonna walk through here a little bit. And we have clothing. And over here we have a Christmas one. So let's walk over here. So yeah, okay. So it's like a popular marketplace. So we are going to try to walk through here. So this town definitely has a more Malaysia feel to it. It's like good things. Today is also a Sunday, so sometimes places are a little bit different when it's a Sunday. So actually what I was gonna try to do is speak from Trong. Okay. So we are gonna end up in the street here. Go all the way around that. I guess they're using up all the sidewalks, so welcome to hatyai. So yeah, they got massage places here too. And then back on the sidewalk again. It smells really good. Food smells great. Leather here. Okay, so we're gonna sneak on out of here. City of Happiness. All right. So we're getting a feel for hatyai. And Merry Christmas, hatyai. And I think I'm just gonna see if I can find a place to buy a bus so I can get to Krabi tomorrow. Okay. See if we can. We're selling quite a few good things, but I'm anxious to sort out my travel plans tomorrow. Money exchange place. Not easy to walk on that. We're gonna conclude right here. Right here. So I'm gonna follow and do another market.